world is back together. I love it. I can't believe we're back together. Oh, you guys, I'm just gonna say this and I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Sheila is cooking for us on Saturday. Oh my god.
Pressure is real.
She better fucking bring it. Yes, that's it.
Yeah, but then
guys, the last time we were together, Sheila said she's gonna cook for us, right, Nancy?
yes,
Are we ready?
we are ready.
She's already brought out the shot glasses.
I'm ready.
This is your moment, babe.
Alcohol.
This is your moment, babe. Do you guys think I'm gonna rate her like really good or really bad? I'm excited about tonight. Good morning to all the Throwdown lovers and happy Wednesday. I know 4 days of not vlogging. Yes, things like that happen when you don't have interesting things to like share. But anyway, a very good morning to you. I hope you guys have been doing good. I didn't even really show much of how much Sheila threw it down at her crib. Like, we had so much fun. We ended up leaving at like, I think 1 o'clock or 1:30. And to be very honest with you, I really love that we got to talk about like so much. My god, like, you know, when you're having a good time you forget to pick up your camera. Anyway, speaking of good times, today I'm trying something new which will involve having a good time. I'm going to be working out with a rugby player. It's my rest day, but I am dumb excited about working out because it's a challenge. So let's head out to the gym and then I'm gonna give you the tea and show you who I'm gonna be working out with. So I just got to the gym, guys, and remember I said I think I'm nervous, but I think I got this. And I'm actually gonna be working out with Go. And here's the thing, he's saying that he can cook better than me.
Of course I can. I can whip it real good.
Look at this guy. Anyway, you guys can let us know in the comments below if you want to see us do a throwdown together, maybe. Yeah? Anyway, in the meantime, I'm gonna set the camera down and we're gonna start working out. Workout got bodied. Like, I don't know why the one and only Biko thought I wasn't gonna bring it. Aww, babes. Hey, Lindsay. It was super lit. Shout out to Mulunda who cooked. I featured him on my channel before. I will link the video. Anyway, I have my passport. The girlfriend diaries are about to go somewhere else. I'm not about to tell you where. I only have one girlfriend with me though, babes. Good morning, everybody, and happy Sunday. Yesterday, I got to meet so many Throwdown lovers. It totally like blew me away. I had way too much fun with way too many Throwdown lovers. I got to feature so many of them. And yeah, shout out to Osman Masharia, Kevo Bra, Procraft for Eric Kosh. Anyway, today's Sunday. I'm all dressed up, ready to head on out to Ngara Sports Club. I'm headed to judge an Indian cooking competition. I got to work with these guys last year, and this time around I get to work with them again this year. So I'm super excited at the fact that, yo, it's gonna be good vibes and good vibes only, trust you me. Anyway, let's head on out. Let's go judge some Throwdown kings and queens, and of course, vibe out.
Season 2 brought to you by New, the pure sunflower oil.
I just made it home from the judging cooking competition, and I have to say I'm so exhausted. But I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I'm probably just gonna sit down and watch the Japan and Senegal game. First of all, huge shout out to Nigeria. Can we get into how they absolutely kicked ass on Friday? 2 goals, shout out to Ahmed Musa. Yeah, so I'm definitely just gonna be chilling and watching the Japan and Senegal game. If you guys want to see me cook with Biko, I asked you that earlier. Make sure to leave a comment below. I can't wait to do that. But in the meantime, between time, I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of my Sunday. I'm quite exhausted to say the very least, and I'm really looking forward to just like unwinding, having a glass of wine, and chilling. Anyway, until the next video where I'm gonna be sharing with you guys a recipe, you guys can of course go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this video or to this channel if you haven't yet. Make sure to turn on the notification bell for those of you who of course need to be part of the squad. But until the next video, goodbye, Throwdown lovers.